Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on the Melrose bypass in Manchester. We are currently driving out of Porus and going on to the bypass. Now, in a previous video we had made an error and called this section of the road the Winston Jones Highway. So we want to thank the subscribers who pointed out that this is the Melrose bypass. From this point, from Porus to the roundabout, is the Melrose bypass, and from the roundabout to Mandeville is the Winston Jones Highway. So currently this bypass has only one. You only can use the bypass going up in this direction. The road is blocked coming down. You have to actually go through Melrose Hill when leaving from Mandeville to go to Porus. That's because they're building a highway. The Maypen to Mandeville leg, or Highway 2000, is being built, and they have closed that section of the road to build a bridge or an overpass. This is the section of the road that's closed because you can see they're doing some construction on the right. Okay, this is why they closed the road. This is the Melrose Hill bypass, and that's the section of the road they're working on to build. It's either overpass or a bridge for the highway to go across this road. And the highway 2000 project will allow you to drive from Kingston to Williamsfield in Manchester. You can reach Manchester in 45 minutes. When the highway is completed. So if you notice, there are no cars coming down this road. Here you can see the highway, parts of the highway under construction. Now, originally, before we had this bypass, when leaving Mandeville, you would go through Melrose Hill. So to save time and to make it easier, because it's a hill, this bypass was built. That's the highway on the right. Alright, straight ahead is a roundabout, and you can see it's blocked off. So at this roundabout, you would, instead of coming down on the bypass, you would turn right or head right and go over the Melrose Hill. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.